For decades, humanity has sent robotic explorers toward the largest planet in the solar system. A world of colossal storms, crushing pressure, violent radiation, and magnetic forces so enormous they stretch millions of kilometers into space. This is Jupiter, a planet more massive than all the other planets combined. A giant world orbiting nearly 800 million kilometers from the Sun. A place so hostile that no human being could survive there even for a moment. And yet, despite the danger, scientists continue returning to Jupiter again and again. Because the real reason National Aeronautics and Space Administration keeps going to Jupiter has almost nothing to do with the planet itself. The truth is far more profound. Researchers increasingly believe Jupiter may hold answers to some of the biggest questions in planetary science. Questions about how solar systems form, how planets evolve, how Earth became habitable, and perhaps even how life itself became possible. At first glance, Jupiter appears completely incompatible with life. The planet has no solid surface in the traditional sense. Its atmosphere descends tens of thousands of kilometers into deeper and deeper layers of gas before transitioning into exotic forms of matter created under immense pressure. Winds exceed 600 kilometers per hour. Storms larger than Earth rage for centuries. Temperatures and pressures deep inside the planet become so extreme that ordinary matter begins behaving in unfamiliar ways. And surrounding all of it is one of the deadliest radiation environments in the solar system. Jupiter's magnetic field is the most powerful planetary magnetic field known. It traps enormous quantities of charged particles accelerated to incredible energies. Radiation near the planet becomes so intense that spacecraft electronics can fail after prolonged exposure. Engineers designing missions to Jupiter must shield instruments inside specially protected compartments simply to survive long enough to collect scientific data. For humans, the environment would be catastrophic. An astronaut approaching Jupiter without extreme shielding could receive lethal radiation exposure in a matter of hours. So why keep going there? Because Jupiter may have shaped the entire history of the solar system. Scientists believe Jupiter formed very early, perhaps within only a few million years after the birth of the Sun itself. At that time, the solar system looked nothing like it does today. Young planets were still forming. Countless asteroids and icy bodies drifted chaotically through space. Massive collisions occurred constantly, and Jupiter's enormous gravity may have controlled much of that violence. Some planetary models suggest Jupiter migrated inward toward the Sun early in its history before moving outward again. That migration may have dramatically altered the architecture of the solar system. As Jupiter moved, its gravity could have scattered material across enormous distances, influencing where planets formed and how much material they accumulated. Without Jupiter, Earth itself might never have become habitable. Some scientists believe Jupiter acted as a gravitational shield, redirecting or capturing certain dangerous comets and asteroids that otherwise may have struck the inner planets more frequently. Others argue Jupiter may actually have increased impacts during certain periods by disturbing distant objects and sending them inward. Either way, the giant planet profoundly influenced Earth's history. And understanding Jupiter may help scientists understand why our solar system developed the way it did. But the planet itself is only part of the story. Because orbiting Jupiter are worlds that may rank among the most extraordinary places ever discovered. Moons once dismissed as frozen dead objects are now considered some of the strongest candidates for extraterrestrial life anywhere in the solar system. One of those moons is Europa. Beneath Europa's frozen crust, scientists believe a vast global ocean may exist containing more liquid water than all of Earth's oceans combined. That ocean remains hidden beneath kilometers of ice. But evidence suggests tidal forces generated by Jupiter's immense gravity continuously flex Europa's interior, producing heat that may keep the ocean liquid. And where there is liquid water, energy, and chemistry, the possibility of life becomes difficult to ignore. The same may be true for Ganymede and Callisto. Even Io, the most volcanically active world in the solar system, reveals how gravitational interactions around Jupiter create environments unlike anything on Earth. These moons transform Jupiter from a simple planetary target into something far more important: a miniature planetary system containing multiple potentially habitable environments. And that realization changed NASA's priorities completely. The goal is no longer simply to study Jupiter. It is to understand how giant planets influence the formation of habitable worlds throughout the universe. Because giant planets are extremely common around other stars. Astronomers have discovered enormous gas giants orbiting distant suns across the galaxy. Some migrate dangerously close to their stars. Others exist in highly unstable systems. Understanding Jupiter helps scientists understand planetary systems everywhere. And missions to Jupiter are becoming increasingly ambitious. The Juno spacecraft has already transformed scientific understanding of the giant planet. By flying repeatedly through Jupiter's harsh radiation environment, Juno revealed that the planet's magnetic field is strangely uneven and unexpectedly complex. Measurements suggest Jupiter's interior may not contain a compact solid core at all. Instead, heavy material may be spread diffusely through enormous regions deep inside the planet. Researchers also discovered gigantic cyclones arranged in stable geometric patterns near the poles, lightning storms more powerful than those on Earth, and mysterious atmospheric structures scientists still struggle to explain fully. But perhaps the most important missions are still coming. NASA's upcoming Europa Clipper mission will focus directly on Europa. The spacecraft will perform repeated flybys searching for evidence about the Moon's ocean, ice shell thickness, chemistry, and potential habitability. Scientists hope to determine whether conditions beneath the ice could support microbial life. And that possibility changes everything. Because if life exists independently inside Europa's hidden ocean, it would suggest the universe may produce living systems far more easily than previously believed. Life on Earth would no longer appear unique. The implications would become enormous. Entirely new forms of biology could exist beneath alien oceans hidden inside icy worlds across the galaxy. And Jupiter may provide humanity's first opportunity to investigate such environments directly. But there is another reason NASA continues returning to Jupiter, a more immediate reason tied to the future of human exploration itself. Jupiter's moons may someday become critical destinations for deep space missions. Frozen water trapped inside icy crusts could potentially support future exploration infrastructure. Radiation environments around different moons offer opportunities to study long-term survival in extreme conditions. And the Jovian system itself may become an eventual gateway for missions farther into the outer solar system. Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, beyond. In many ways, Jupiter functions like a laboratory for understanding deep space survival on the largest scales imaginable. But despite decades of exploration, Jupiter remains deeply mysterious. Scientists still do not fully understand how its interior works. They still debate the origin of its magnetic field anomalies. They still cannot completely explain the longevity of storms like the Great Red Spot. And they still do not know whether life might exist inside the hidden oceans of its moons. Every mission reveals new complexity, new anomalies, new unanswered questions. Because Jupiter is not simply another planet orbiting the Sun. It is a gravitational giant that helped shape the solar system itself. A world controlling entire families of moons, magnetic fields, radiation systems, and hidden oceans. A planetary system within a planetary system. And somewhere beneath those enormous swirling clouds, or beneath the frozen crusts of the worlds orbiting around it, may exist answers to questions humanity has wondered about for thousands of years. How planets form, how life begins, and whether Earth is truly alone in the universe.